Just keep it there, keep it there. Already keep it. For now, okay?
Ka sorkar jala kalapan kre bante Thymmai ka Shillong Bar Association kabala syakbam du hagading. Ka menteri katanat kam an ka jala ka kong amperin ling do kala ong menta ka sngi baka sorkar kalapan kre bante Thymmai ka ni ka jagat rekam Nongiasaid an. Henry yamenta kan penken ria shwa shawei haduk bandap ya ka jingtai Thymmai. Kala ong banamar ka ni ka jingja ka sorkar kan penstat bante ya ka ni ka jagat rekam Nongiasaid an kloi kat bala bat menteri rangba ukan rat ke sangma ula jurep ya ka jaka bat ula pentikna ban shimkhya ya kanie haka joko por ka deputy commissioner ka S Khase Hills ka kong Roset Mary Kurba kala ong bakala thong ya ka jing toket bakli magister halor kani ka jingja la ban kdo bakani ka jaka trekam jong kinong ya sad an ka don hasanda ka Ophis ka deputy commissioner kala de pe na ka jingbam ka ding haka janmit sngi sat jan.
Went to the location this morning and I was pleased to be sitting with all the representatives of the Bar Association of Shillong, like the President, the General Secretary and other members as well. It has been brought to our active notice that lawyers now need alternative relocationing. We are on the job. I will be having a discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister, who himself visited the location at the time when the blaze was very active. So yes, they want a relocation. We are considering some of the options given to us by them. Number two, we need now to immediately raise the erstwhile building. Though it was a heritage building, very unfortunate. Over 300 plus lockers of lawyers at various capacities, and so this is something which we will have to immediately consider, and we are already in the pipeline thinking of redeveloping that area. It's just that this unfortunate incident now fast tracks that entire plan of the government. We will definitely attend to these issues and problems. The Honorable Chief Minister himself is handling this entire crisis and ensuring that we are able to adequately relocate these lawyers, number one. Number two, see what needs to get done. Number three, try immediately to raise a building in the same location.
Already have done that. Walang the magistrate to conduct the inquiry. This is, actually these are accidents which are unpredictable. That's why they are accidents. And of course, as per the preliminary inquiry last night, it was a short circuit, and plus being an old building, so definitely, the fire got up very fast.